Imagine holding the universe's knowledge in your hand. That's the promise of Grok 2, a powerful tool for understanding and creating. Like a telescope revealing hidden galaxies, Grok 2 unlocks new possibilities across various fields. Content creators, imagine generating compelling stories and stunning visuals with ease. Developers, envision effortlessly navigating complex code and finding elegant solutions. Researchers, picture sifting through mountains of data to uncover hidden patterns and insights. Grok 2 isn't science fiction. It's here, and it's changing how we work and interact with information. Whether you're a writer facing a deadline or a scientist seeking a breakthrough, Grok 2 can be your guide and companion. This isn't just about making tasks easier. It's about pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Grok 2 empowers us to explore new frontiers of knowledge and creativity, fostering a deeper understanding of our universe and ourselves. For writers, a blank page can be daunting. Grok 2 banishes writer's block, acting as a tireless muse. Imagine brainstorming blog post ideas, outlining a novel, or crafting engaging social media posts with the help of an intelligent assistant. Grok 2 doesn't just generate words, it understands context and nuance. Need a catchy headline that captures attention? Grok 2 can provide options tailored to your target audience. Struggling to find the right tone for a sensitive topic? Grok 2 can offer suggestions that are both empathetic and informative. But it's not just about text. Grok 2 can also help create compelling visuals. Imagine generating custom images or infographics that perfectly complement your writing, all with a few simple prompts. With Grok 2, you become a storyteller with a universe of creative tools at your fingertips. In the ever-evolving world of software development, staying ahead of the curve is crucial. Grok 2 emerges as a powerful ally for developers, streamlining workflows and boosting productivity. Imagine effortlessly navigating complex codebases, with Grok 2 instantly providing context and explanations for unfamiliar functions or libraries. Imagine debugging code with speed and precision, as Grok 2 identifies potential errors and suggests optimal solutions. Grok 2 isn't just a passive tool, it's an active collaborator. Need to write a function to perform a specific task? Grok 2 can generate code snippets tailored to your needs, saving time and reducing errors. By handling repetitive tasks and offering intelligent suggestions, Grok 2 frees developers to focus on the creative heart of their work. The ability to analyze vast amounts of data is crucial in today's data-driven world. Grok 2 empowers researchers and analysts with the ability to uncover hidden patterns and extract meaningful insights from complex datasets. Imagine having a research assistant capable of sifting through millions of articles and research papers in seconds, summarizing key findings and identifying relevant connections. Imagine querying databases with natural language, effortlessly retrieving specific information without writing complex code. Grok 2's ability to process and analyze data in real time makes it an invaluable tool for decision-making. Whether you're tracking market trends, analyzing scientific data, or monitoring social sentiment, Grok 2 provides the insights needed to make informed choices quickly and effectively. Section 5. Sparking Conversations. Grok 2 for community engagement. In today's interconnected world, building and engaging with online communities is more important than ever. Grok 2 emerges as a powerful tool for fostering meaningful interactions and sparking engaging conversations. Imagine crafting social media posts that resonate deeply with your audience, prompting thoughtful comments and discussions. Imagine using Grok 2 to analyze community sentiment, identifying key topics and concerns to tailor your messaging for maximum impact. Grok 2 can also help break down language barriers, translating content and facilitating cross-cultural communication. By fostering understanding and encouraging participation, Grok 2 helps build vibrant online communities where diverse voices can be heard and valued. Section 6. Mastering the Cosmos. Tips for using Grok 2. Unlocking the full potential of Grok 2 involves understanding its capabilities and learning how to communicate effectively. Here are some tips to maximize your experience. Be specific with your prompts. Just like talking to a colleague, the clearer your instructions, the better Grok 2 can understand and fulfill your requests. Provide context. Don't be afraid to give Grok 2 background information. The more context it has, the more relevant and useful its responses will be. Embrace real-time feedback. Grok 2 is constantly learning and evolving. Use its feedback and suggestions to refine your prompts and improve the quality of its output. Experiment and explore. Don't be afraid to try new things and push the boundaries of what's possible with Grok 2. The more you explore, the more you'll discover its hidden depths. Remember, Grok 2 is a tool, and like any tool, its effectiveness depends on the skill of the user. By approaching it with curiosity and a willingness to learn, you'll unlock a universe of possibilities. Section 7. The expanding potential of Grok 2. The true potential of Grok 2 extends far beyond its current capabilities. As we continue to develop and refine this powerful technology, we can only imagine the incredible breakthroughs and innovations that await us. Imagine personalized learning experiences tailored to individual needs and learning styles, where Grok 2 acts as a patient and insightful tutor. Imagine advancements in scientific research, where Grok 2 helps unlock the mysteries of the human brain or develop new cures for diseases. The possibilities are limitless. As we continue to explore the capabilities of Grok 2, we are embarking on a journey of discovery that promises to reshape our world in profound and unpredictable ways. Section 8. Conclusion. Embracing the Grok 2 revolution. Grok 2 isn't just a tool. It's a revolution in how we access, process, and interact with information. It empowers us to be more creative, more productive, and more connected than ever before. By embracing Grok 2, we're not just embracing a new technology, we're embracing a new way of thinking, a new way of learning, and a new way of interacting with the world around us. As we venture further into the cosmos of knowledge and creativity, Grok 2 will be our guide, our companion, and our key to unlocking the universe's secrets. Let us embrace the Grok 2 revolution and explore the infinite possibilities that await us. To summarize, Grok 2 revolutionizes our interaction with information, enhances creativity, productivity, and connectivity. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and follow us for more updates on Grok 2 and other cutting-edge technologies. Thank you for watching.